How are you? How are you?
Actually, I was here the other day and your wife said you went out.
Oh yes, she told me. I hope all is well.
All is not really cheap. I'm sick. I was diagnosed of hepatitis B. For the past 16 months, I've not been myself. Dr. Ben said he can't continue with the treatment. I had to go to the headquarters. I went there, but they refused to give me attention. They said I must come with the medical history.
How would they tell you such a thing? I've never heard of a doctor refusing to treat a patient because of that. Why?
I'm confused. I don't know what to do now.
This sounds strange. I understand the new doctor in our hospital has started work. Yes.
Yeah, so well, she didn't want to give me attention.
Why?
I don't know. I've begged her for over 2 weeks now.
Why must you beg her to do her job? It's her duty. Anyway, I will go and speak with her tomorrow. I will speak with her. I'll go to her office after.
Wow. Thank you so much. I said I should come and see you now. Thank you, Jay.
I will speak with her.
I'll have to go now. I want to go to the farm.
To the farm? In your condition?
I got my own work. I have to go and
Not take it easy, eh? When I speak with her, I will let you go. Not take care of myself.
Are you here to teach me my job? Are you here to tell me what to do? Are you the one who posted me here?
Young woman, I am not here to teach you anything. I am only telling you the right thing to do. Your job is to save lives. And you should take it seriously. Simple. Just take a look at the file, write your report indicating the treatment so far. That's all. Is that not what you call medical history?
Well, he doesn't know what he is saying. I won't give him any medical reports.
But you can at least give him a referral letter.
Well, Joey, you can do that if you so wish. I don't have time for that. I am very certain that he wasn't rejected because of that referral letter. That is not possible. I mean, if it was that necessary, the doctor who was here would have given it to him before he left. You don't come to my office to tell me to do things that are not necessary.
Young woman, you have to do it.
And if I don't?
I will report you to the headquarters.
Well, you better do so before I do.
Alright, man. We shall see. I hope you do not regret this. I hope it does not get too late for you to do the right thing.
Mr. Man, leave my office. Mr. Man, leave my office. If I wasn't posted to this God-forsaken hospital, I'm sure this old-looking man wouldn't come here talking to me.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show love.
Okay, what is it?
I don't know. I think my liver is failing me. Do you know, I usually cough out blood.
What? Okay, don't worry. Doctor is around. I think you should see her.
She has refused to see me.
Why?
I don't know. Do you know that she sent me out the other day?
Oh, don't be. She's not like that. She's not bad.
I didn't tell you because I don't want to bother you and I don't want her to insult you because of me.
Don't worry. I think she's just stressed. But I'll talk to her. She will do something about your case. Don't worry. Let me get something for you. Yeah?
Show a little kindness, do some good. Help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make life much better.
Yes, who's there? Coming. Oh, no, Sobio. Why is this file here?
Dr. B came is dying.
Oh, that's the truth. My dear, I don't want to talk about it. Do you know that fool actually sent an old man here to insult me?
Bikem is not who you think he is. He's not.
Oh, who is he? And why does he keep bothering me?
See, Dr. Bikem has been sick for some time now. Dr. Ben was supposed to treat him, but he was just angry because Dikeh refused him getting married to his daughter.
Really?
Yes.
Well, no, Sobio, I don't want to talk about that boy anymore. He's just one village illiterate.
See, Bikem is one of the nicest young men in this community. Do you know where you are staying? He's the one that plastered and painted it.
Is that so?
Yes.
Is that why he keeps bothering me? Well, I can pay him to stay away.
Dr. B, it's not like that. He needs your help. We treated him, we tried all we could, but nothing was happening. They had to transfer him to Federal Medical Center. He went there, they asked him to go and get his medical history.
Well, no, Sobima, that is not possible. No doctor in the headquarters will reject him because of his medical history.
That's what he said.
Anyway, what is wrong with him? What disease does he have?
They said hepatitis B.
Oh my God. He has hepatitis B?
Yes.
My God. Why didn't he tell me?
He tried all he could to tell you, but you were giving him a cold attitude.
Jesus, I actually thought he was one of these village beggars and miscreants.
He's not. See, as a matter of fact, Bikem he's a nice person. He's not a bad boy at all. He's not. Do you know the sickness in question? He actually contacted us trying to save one small boy from drowning.
Oh, what have you done? What have I need to see him right away. Do you know where he lives?
I do.
Please take me to his house.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love.
I'm sorry, let me get my bag. Where are you going to? Hey, my bag. Just leave the handbag. I'm coming. My phone is inside. Just hurry up, please. Hurry up.
Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love when you can.
Wiki.
His body is so hot. We have to take him to the hospital.
I'm so sorry.
Show a little kindness, do some good. Help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make life much better. Help someone in need. Show some love. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love.
No, so get some antibiotics fast.
Okay.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can.
No, super. How are you?
I'm fine. You slept here?
Yes, I did. Please just help me look after him. I need to go home and freshen up.
Oh, okay. Doctor! Dikeh! Wait here, sir. Doctor, don't you think you should take him to headquarters?
Masobima, quickly get in your chair.
Okay.
Just try and sit up. Please.
Dikeh.
Dr. Beatrice, what's really happening?
Doctor, I have a patient in my car. I don't know what's wrong.
Is there an accident case?
No, we have to do something quickly.
What happened to him?
He has hepatitis B.
For how long?
So I don't know.
There is blood on his mouth. That shows that his liver has been affected badly.
Yes.
Call a stretcher. Nurse!
No, Mama! Tell a nurse to get a stretcher. Okay. Tell one of the nurses to get a stretcher. Doctor, we need to do something quickly before we lose him.
Oh yes, we have to run a test on him first.
Yes, but I already told you he has hepatitis B.
Yes, but it seems he has something deadlier than hepatitis B.
Well, at least you can do something.
What is wrong with you? Am I not doing enough? We have to run a test on him first. Excuse me, please.
Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride.
Seriously, I don't know what to do. What did she say? A test must be run before any proper treatment. I'm so scared. What if he dies before something happens? Nothing will happen to him. Let's wait for the test first. Just hope so. So, Dr. B, why are you getting yourself worked up? I said, let's wait for the test. You're asking me why I'm getting myself worked up. Obiba, do you know what is about to happen? Nothing will happen. Nothing. You sent for me.
Yes. I need to see his medical history as soon as possible.
I didn't come home.
That's okay. Go and get it for me because I'll work with the report.
Okay, let me get it.
Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can.
He also has a severe typhoid and his liver damaged.
Doctor, what do we do? What do we do about this? Is there nothing we can do?
Dr. Beatrice, you know how much I hate trial and error.
What are you trying to say, Doctor?
It's okay. Let's just not talk too much about this. I will begin with the treatment of hepatitis immediately.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
Oh, you don't need to do this.
God bless you.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Sure. Let me just go and check on you.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I want to get something down the road. Alright. I just hope he recovers in no time. He will. I'll be back soon. Okay, alright. Are you alright? Dikeh, what is it? Dikeh, Doctor! Sorry, he's doing better. At least he was able to drink some of this. Dikeh, how are you doing? Anyway, just help me take care of him. I need to go and fix my car, it's very important. Okay, but sorry, doctor, before you go, there's bad news. Bad news? Where? Mama called me. She said Ichie Obi has been going around the village telling everybody that if anything happens to Bike, you will have him to face. Oh, well, as you can see, Bike is doing fine. So he cannot deal with me, Bike will be fine. Anyway, just help me take proper care of him. I need to go and fix him. Okay, no trouble, my water. So, take care. Okay. What is it? Dikeh? Dikeh? Doctor! Doctor! down with me now.
What is it?
Dikeh is acting up.
Oh my goodness.
Quickly, get Dr. Helen. Be fast about it. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Just don't do this. Don't do this to me. Please.
How is it?
Doctor, please do something. I'm sorry.
Just calm down. Everything will be fine, okay? Dr. Beatrice, you have to act fast or we lose him.
What? Doctor, what do I need to know?
What
do I do?
Go to Asaba, get these drugs. Do that as fast as possible, okay?
Doctor, I will, but while I'm going to Asaba to get these drugs, do everything possible to take care of him, please, Doctor.
I will. Run, okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay.
Ma, I noticed that his breathing has changed.
Don't worry. We'll be fine, okay? Who is it to Dr. Beatrice?
Just a friend.
A friend?
Yes.
I wonder what is keeping her in Asaba. Have you checked her phone?
I've tried calling, but her number keeps saying switched off.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Okay, it's okay, yeah? You'll be fine. Sorry. Sorry.
Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show a little kindness, do some good. Help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make life much better.
Nurse. She hasn't yet returned
I've not seen her.
and her phone still off.
Switched off.
My goodness. What is keeping her? Why is she taking so much time?
Oh no.
I hope it's not late when she returns.
I pray so.
We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love.
Obioma, is everything alright? Obioma, talk to me. How is Dikeh? Is he alright?
Dikeh is fine.
Yes, she almost got me scared.
What kept you?
But yeah, my car broke down.
And your phone?
I had a low battery.
Dr. Beatrice, what is keeping you?
My car broke down.
It's okay. Any success?
Yes. Okay. Doctor, wait. So why are you taking off the battery? So,
I'm sorry.
Okay. Please, listen to me. It's me. It's Beatrice. Please. I beg you, just open your eyes. I beg you, please just open your eyes, I beg you, please just open your eyes, tell him to open his eyes, please. Dikeh is dead. No, his eyes were open a few minutes ago. He can't be dead. Dikeh, please, I beg you, open your eyes. Stop talking, just open your eyes. Dikeh,
I should have listened to you.
Why are you here?
I tried my best. It wasn't enough.
What are you talking about?
Dikeh, we took Dikeh to the headquarters. But he didn't make it.
Don't understand what you're saying. Go straight to the point.
Dikeh is dead.
Ini?
He's dead.
It's a joke. Just tell me it's a joke.
I tried all I could. I tried everything. Good nurse. I tried everything. I tried my best.
You tried? That young man kept begging you for treatment for the past 3 weeks and you refused to treat him. Now you open your mouth and tell me you did your best. You are wicked. Doctors are meant to save lives, but you take lives. You are a wicked woman. You are a murderer.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Now that you have killed him, you can take his body. Do whatever you like with it. Eat it if you like. But don't ever dream of bringing that body back home. But I assure you, you will hear from us. Murderer, get out of my compound. Now get out. Get out!
Sorry. Sorry. Please help me talk to him. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. I don't know what to say. Sorry.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can.
What are you people still doing here? Now get out of my compound. I said get out. I will get the youth to come and bundle you out in a very harsh way. Get lost. Out. Out now. Get out. Okay, you don't want to go. Wait. This is what I'm doing.
Show a little kindness. Do something. Help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Later, I'll make life much better. Help someone in need. Show some love. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems. Forget your pride.
What are you people still doing there? Oh, you are still here. Get out of this compound right now. Get out this very minute. I will call the youth to come and hold you out of there. Get out. Get out. You madras. I will make you pay for this. Get out. Take it away from this compound. Now. Get out now. Okay, wait for me. Wait, I'm coming.
Forget your problems. Forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can.
Ogeni. Hey, what about Dikeh? Hey! I knew it. I knew it. I had this feeling something like this was going to happen. Hey! Hey, Chibo! You see it? That your Dr. Beats or Bean or whatever she's called. Virtually everyone in this village begged her, but she wouldn't listen. Now look at this. We cannot go, Mom. Go.
Mama, why are you talking like this now? Why are you making it look like I didn't put in my effort? Mama, you know I tried. Mama, I tried though. I tried.
We can, Mom. Hey! We cannot move.
Babe, I think you should eat something. You've been crying all day.
Yeah, Mama. I so hate myself right now. I just wish this crown would have swallowed me.
Don't say that. What has happened has happened.
I don't understand. Maybe if I had listened to him, this wouldn't have happened. It wouldn't have happened. I didn't mean to kill him. I didn't mean for this to happen. Oh no.
I understand, but see, you don't have to kill yourself.
I can't even forgive myself. I could not even ask him to forgive me. I could not ask him to forgive me. I could not.
I understand, but see, I know where Dikeh is right now. He has forgiven you. So stop crying, please. It's okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Wherever you are, forgive me.
has forgiven me. Forgive me! I didn't mean for this to happen. I'm so sorry. Toby, it's okay. I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry.
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. Sorry for waiting. You see, I'm only hearing this for the first time.
It's all right.
Please, let's go inside my office.
No, I'm okay here. Let me just lay my complaints and I walk out of here. Please, I'm okay. Now, I went to see Dr. Beatrice in her office, but she will not listen to me. She will not attend to the young man. Now the young man is dead. She had the guts to come to my house, apologizing and all whatnot.
I'm so sorry about it.
Listen, doctor, we are going to take Dr. Beatrice to court. Can I assure you of that?
No, it has not got into that. But why didn't you complain earlier?
I was here earlier to see you, but the stupid security man would not allow me in. And when eventually I got in, the nurse at the reception said you were in the theater. Can you imagine that?
Chief, please, we're sorry about the both thing. But the truth of the matter is that at the time that young man was rushed to this place, he was already in a critical condition. And we tried our best.
I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about that young girl who calls herself a doctor. She contributed to the death of Dikeh. I can assure you of one thing. We will not allow this to lie low. We are going to take her to court and she will not go unpunished.
It's okay. We're sorry. I promise you we're going to investigate this matter. And if what you said now is true, she will not go unpunished.
Please do that quickly. Do it quickly.
Another thing I don't understand is about the medical history you're talking about.
Doctor, that's it belongs to the past. It's history now. I'm not here for that. All I'm here is to make sure Dr. Beatrice is punished. That's all.
It's okay. We're not taking it for granted.
We'll be waiting.
Thank you, sir.
But please, madam, we don't have all the time to wait. We're not going to wait for so long.
I understand.
She must not go punished.
I understand clearly. Thank you.
Show love when you can.
Dr. Beatrice, why taking your anger to the poor community? It's okay.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you
Beatrice, why?
show love
Why?
when you can.
How could you be this careless and wicked? Why? Just because you've been posted to a rural area?
Doctor, I'm so sorry. I blame myself for everything that has happened. God knows I'm going to live with this guilt all my life. My mouth tastes of guilt, Doctor. I'm sorry.
But why? Why, Dr. Beatrice? Why? Anyway, this is not my business. The disciplinary committee has found you guilty of negligence of duty and you've been suspended indefinitely.
Doctor, please, kindly help me do something.
Nothing. I am not among the disciplinary committee.
Doctor, you can do something.
There is absolutely nothing I can do about it.
Doctor, please.
I said no. No, don't even go there. Don't go there. Get up.
Doctor, please.
Please excuse me, I have something important to do. Please.
Please, I am begging you. Please.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man. Forget your problems, forget your pride.
Obioma! Get your Dr. Bean or Beans, whatever she's called. You need to tell her to leave this village immediately. They're planning to attack her.
Mama, who now?
Ichiobi and some of the youth leaders. You need to tell her to get out. They will kill her. Mama! What?
Come.
See, you have to leave here now. I mean now. Dr. B! I said you have to leave this village now. The youths are coming for you. What?
If they want to kill me, let them come here and kill me.
I won't let that happen. You have to leave now.
If that is the only way they can forgive me, let them come here and kill me.
No, you have to go.
You're not going anywhere.
Dr. B, you have to leave.
I'm not going anywhere.
Why are you doing this?
If that is the only way they will forgive me,
You want them to kill you? No, I won't let that happen. You have to go. Please, I beg you. I don't want them to harm you. You go.
If that's the only way they will forgive me, let them come here and kill me.
No, they can't kill you. I won't let that happen. No.
If that's the only way
you will leave. You will. You have to.
Let them come here and kill me.
Oh my God, stop doing this. I don't like this.
Sorry. God. Oh, but just...
No.
Move! Now, two of you stay here. One, take it. She must not go. She must not go. Dr. B! Dr. B! Come out! I know you're inside there. Come out! Yeah? Where is that? Where is that wicked woman? Where is she? Where is that wicked murderer? Where is she? She did what? Go on. Look, search for her. Go into the village. Look for her anywhere. She must pay for her wicked deeds. Murderer! She will not go free. Let's go, move. Let's go.
Forget your pride. Forget your pride. We are here for a very short time. So you show love when you can. Show a little kindness. Do some good. Help somebody in your neighborhood. Please don't wait for later. Try and make